Welcome to the Fabrico.Design Fashionable Patterns YouTube channel. Your space to be your own designer. We create professional sewing patterns and make them available to everyone. Sew with us and create your own style. Today we are cutting and sewing the Demetra top. This is a top with straps up to the waist, with double princess seams on the front and waist darts on the back. The top is lined with a zipper in the center of the back. For this sewing project, we will need sewing patterns, cotton for the main fabric, cotton for the lining, interfacing, matching color threads, interfacing tape, a hidden separating zipper, and sewing accessories. You can find the sewing patterns for this model on the Fabrico.Design website. Please note that you will need needles type number 80, and if you are going to sew a hidden zipper, you will need a sewing machine foot for hidden zippers. Let's start cutting. Make sure to decate the fabric so that it does not shrink while you are sewing. Preserve the direction of the grain line as it is indicated on the sewing patterns and transfer all control points. Please note that our sewing pattern already contains allowances. You do not need to add anything. After cutting, make sure to check the number of pieces according to the sewing pattern specifications. Here are the pieces we should have from the main fabric. 1 front center with a fold piece, 2 front middle pieces, 2 front side pieces, 2 back pieces, and 2 strap pieces. Here are the pieces we should have from the lining fabric. 2 front lining pieces, 2 sleeve lining pieces, right back lining, left back lining. Preserve the direction of the grain line as it is indicated and transfer all control. Already contains allowances. After cutting, check the number of. We interface partially the front center with a fold lining, the front middle lining, the front side lining, and the back lining. We used cotton as the main fabric. Denim, linen, or suiting materials will also do. For the lining, we use thin cotton fabric. Demetra top is a fitted top that will gracefully accentuate the curves of a woman's body. Place the front center piece with the front middle piece and the front side piece face to face and sew. Iron press the seam allowances toward the center. Mark the darts on the back piece from the wrong side and sew them up. Iron press the seam allowances toward the center. Start from the base and go up. Sew the side seams, folding the pieces face inward. Iron press the seam allowances apart. Iron press the strap piece lengthwise and in half, wrong sides together, and then sew the long edges together. To do this, fold them face to face. Turn them inside out and press with an iron. Place the strap with the short side with the straight cut to the front piece and the beveled cut to the back piece, and sew face to face. It is important that the fold on the strap is located towards the center of the top. Sew the front lining and back lining pieces in the same way as the top pieces. That is, first align the front pieces, then mark the dart on the back piece from the inside, stitch it, and then sew along the side seams of the front and back. Please note that we leave an unstitched opening in the left side seam. Fold the upper piece of the top with the lining face to face and sew along the upper cut. This is what we should get. Next, we can cut the allowances on the curves. And now we lay a top stitch along the lining 0.1 centimeters or 1/16 inches from the stitching seam. Turn inside out and stitch. Press with an iron, forming a piping from the main fabric. This is how it should turn out. Next, we turn the garment inside out and stitch the lower edge of the top with lining. Lay a top stitch along the lining 0.1 centimeters or 1/16 inches from the stitching seam. Turn inside out. And press with an iron, forming a piping from the main fabric. Unzip and stitch the zipper in the center of the back first to the pieces of the upper fabric, folding them face to face. Unzip and stitch them like this. This is what we should get. Next, turn the top inside out and stitch the zipper with lining. Turn it out through the unstitched opening and iron press it. Sew up the unstitched opening. Iron press the finished top. The Demetra top is finished. Thank you for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new designs. You can find all our sewing patterns and sewing masterclasses on our website. The link is under this video.